Welcome to this week's edition of Artificial Intelligence in Healthcare and Digital Health Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. OpenAI has unveiled GPT-5, featuring a unified system with a router and a new GPT-5 thinking mode aimed at boosting accuracy, cutting hallucinations, and reducing over-agreeable responses. Posting record-high benchmarks across coding, math, multimodal reasoning, and health, it launches as the default in ChatGPT, with Plus and Pro subscribers getting more usage and access to GPT-5 Pro. In prostate cancer, AI in digital pathology is advancing detection, standardizing Gleason grading, predicting outcomes, and inferring molecular alterations from H&E slides. However, challenges remain, including varied datasets, scarce multi-institutional annotations, early-stage regulation, and bias against underrepresented groups. NASA and Google are collaborating on a crew medical officer digital assistant for deep space missions, running on Vertex AI. In initial tests, it reached diagnostic accuracy of roughly 74 to 88%. The tool handles speech, text, and images, and will be tuned for space-specific health conditions before orbital validation. Following Stanford research that found risky responses in crisis scenarios, ChatGPT will add mental health safeguards. These include enhanced crisis detection, gentle time limits, and stricter protections when offering personal advice, informed by nearly 90 clinicians across more than 30 countries. Sam Altman says GPT-5 should be used for health, citing its top scores on HealthBench and adoption by companies like Amgen and Oscar Health for drug design and clinical policy mapping. The model is available in standard, mini, and nano formats. TrialMind, an AI pipeline for clinical evidence synthesis, integrates large language models with systematic review protocols. It has shown 71% higher recall and reduced screening time by 44% compared with experts, with up to 32% better accuracy than GPT-4. The NHS Active 10 app study of more than 200,000 users found an average increase of 9 minutes of brisk walking per day, sustained above baseline for 30 months in active users. Stressomic, a wearable biosensor, continuously monitors cortisol, epinephrine, and norepinephrine in sweat, distinguishing between acute and chronic stress responses under various conditions. In dermatology, Almirall has expanded its AI-driven antibody design partnership with Absci to a second target, with payments across both programs potentially reaching $650 million. CardioSense has received FDA clearance for CardioTag, the first wearable to capture ECG, PPG, and SCG signals for non-invasive cardiac function monitoring. Respiree's RS001 chest-worn device and OneBio platform have been cleared for home monitoring, enabling AI-powered preventive care outside hospitals. A study involving more than 48,000 participants found that Hello Heart's program significantly reduced blood pressure during and after menopause, combining connected devices, medication adherence tools, and AI coaching. Finally, AI-powered facial scan tools, such as Harvard's FaceAge, are estimating biological age and detecting health risks from facial cues, sparking both excitement over early diagnosis and debate over privacy and accuracy. Stay ahead in AI and digital health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.